Hey, it's John Cleese Car Audio's YouTube channel. I'm in another TT again today. This is the Mark II 2007 circa year. We do a lot of these. They are becoming extremely popular because the car's great. TT's been discontinued now, so the infotainment system is really the only thing that's letting down these drivers' cars. Doesn't support Bluetooth streaming on a lot of the older ones, doesn't have DAB radio, and obviously it doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now, I'm going to show you what we've done in this TT. We have fitted yet another Kenwood DMX 8021, so I'm going to turn it on. These units come with 3-year warranty when we install it. You've got the Audi splash logo that comes on that we can put on. We can put that logo on other cars as well if you've got a different vehicle you want this unit in. Now this is a cracking unit, very simple to use. We can connect it up to the original Bose amplifier, and if you didn't have the Bose amplifier, it's still compatible. All your steering wheel controls still work as well. We connect all them up. Now I'm going to give you a quick little run through an Apple CarPlay once I get my phone connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the phone button to make it visible. I'm then going to go on my phone, I'm going to go to Bluetooth, and we're going to search for new devices. It's going to appear at the bottom after a few seconds. Just wait for it to appear. There you go, 8021. We select it. We then follow the on-screen instructions on your phone instructions. Just hit pair on every one. So pair, yes, allow your contacts. And then finally what it's going to do is it's going to ask you if you want to do CarPlay. We just hit use CarPlay, hit yes on the screen. And then now it will do the handshake. It will switch over from Bluetooth over to Wi-Fi. And in about 3, 2, 1, we're going to get the CarPlay screen. I was a little bit fast there, a little predict. Now, let's come back on with CarPlay. This is going to start playing my music straight off. What I'll do is when I finish this video, I'm going to move these icons over to the right because this is what we would consider left-hand drive mode. You want those shortcuts on the right. Not that it matters, we're very close, but it's just a nice little touch when you have them on the right-hand side. This unit now has CarPlay, so I can scroll across. I can gain access to all my navigation apps like Apple Maps, Google Maps, TomTom if you pay for it, and even the very popular Waze. You can move these icons around, so if you prefer Waze to be on the front screen, you can put it there. You've also got access to your music apps like Apple Music, Spotify if you use it, Tidal like I use it, YouTube Music as well, and all the internet radio apps like TuneIn, Virgin and the like. CarPlay is very simple. It's wireless connection as I mentioned. Also supports wireless Android Auto as well. Now if I go to the home button, I'll show you a little layout of the Kenwood home screen. It's giving me the album art of my music I'm playing right now. We've got DAB radio. The way it picks up DAB is because these cars didn't come with DAB. We fit a little windscreen aerial there. That goes on the front windscreen on 99% of installs. But if you want to pay a little bit of extra labour and use it as a coupe, we can put it on the rear window. Obviously not compatible on the Roadster TT. Microphone we just mount nice and subtly up there. It's a great position for both audio quality and subtlety because it literally, once you're driving, you don't really notice it up there, which is quite nice. But yeah, this is the DMX Kenwood in the TT fitted with full integration of the original system. And yeah, looks nice, works well. You can add a reverse camera to this as well. This customer hasn't got it, but there is another TT on our YouTube channel with a reverse camera added if you want to watch that and see what a reverse camera looks like. But anyways, that's it for a Kenwood unit fitted with 3-year warranty, professionally installed by John Cleese Car Audio. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Get in contact, drop us a message, send us an email or even a WhatsApp. But for now, Connor in front of the camera. We'll see you soon.